Hard Chrome Solutions, your trusted partner for Falk Gearbox repairs. With over 100 years of experience and a global reach, we specialize in in-house gear manufacturing, using only the highest quality OEM parts from top brands like FAG, SKF, INA, and Timken. Our 24/7 emergency service, worldwide pickups and deliveries, and engineering expertise allow us to provide cost-effective and efficient repairs to your gearbox. Our highly experienced technicians have the knowledge and expertise to quickly and efficiently repair your Falk gearbox using only the highest quality replacement parts to ensure optimal performance. Our 24-hour emergency Falk gearbox repair team will be dispatched to your location to evaluate the root cause of your machine failure. We do all gear cutting and grinding in-house with state-of-the-art machinery to get your gearbox back faster and more reliably than anyone in the country. And in-house testing on every gearbox before shipping. We can fabricate all inner working parts of your gearbox, including shafts, pinions, gears, and bearings. Our teams have vibration and testing tools on every truck to diagnose every aspect of your Falk gearbox rebuild. With cutting-edge technology and high design standards, we routinely exceed inspection, repair, and cost savings expectations. Emergency assistance and breakdown repair services are available for every industrial Falk drive component. At Hard Chrome Solution, we understand the importance of keeping your machinery running smoothly to ensure the success of your business. That's why we offer fast turnaround times to get you back up and running quickly. Keep a broken gearbox from slowing down your production. Trust us for exceptional results and a 36-month guarantee from the repair date. Our century-long reputation for quality speaks for itself. Contact us at 732-895-3225 or visit hardchromesolution.com to experience the difference in your gearbox repairs. With locations in Texas, Chicago, Nevada, Florida, and globally, we are your trusted partner for all your Falk gearbox needs.